Hi everyone, today we're going to make elephant toothpaste. The first thing you want to do is take 1, 2, and 3 tablespoons of warm water, and we're going to mix that with 1 packet of yeast. Okay, now that we poured our yeast in, we're going to stir for 30 seconds. Help me count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Good job. The next thing you want to do is pour half a cup of hydrogen peroxide into an empty water bottle, which I already did here, but I think we need a little bit more. Okay, after you do that, we're going to add 1 good squeeze of any dish soap that you have at home. Ready? Good squeeze. Next, we're going to take food coloring and we're going to add it to our mixture. I'm using yellow, but you can use any color that you want. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4 drops of food coloring. Once you do that, we can do our last step, which is adding our yeast into our water bottle, and watch the elephant toothpaste come to life. Whoa! I hope you guys have fun. Bye!